This is King Kapisi. We're at Rongomai Park right now, so come and get vaccinated if you're in the area. If you're not, Kate to Pai, but enough love going out to each and everyone. King Kapisi, community immunity gig. WERO here, King Kapisi, peace and love. Yo.
Listen. Party.
I'm Rawiri Jansen. I'm the Clinical Director for the National Hauora Coalition and one of the co-leads for WERO here. And this event today really came about because my good friend from years ago just reached out and said, hey, I'd like to be part of something that helps get us community immunity.
Good thing going, a real good thing going, yeah. Like girl, like
well, right now we're here at the immune community, Rongomai Park. Everyone's driving through getting their vaccinations, and the reason why I wanted to get behind this is because one, it's in the backyard of Otara, and I'm proud of Otaria, and it's good to raise awareness around our own people.
for we've got a good thing going, a real good thing.
And the reason why I believe that we need to, because I'm sick of lockdown. I'm pretty sure the rest of Aotearoa is sick of lockdown. Auckland lockdown actually affects the rest of the country, regardless if it's just in Auckland. I want to get out and have a good summer. I would love to see, I'm sick of being inside. And so I've got gigs to do. I'd love to go to see some festivals, but also I'd like to keep my whānau safe.
On the misty frequencies, we be listening. On the misty frequencies, we be listening.
Lovely to see our whānau here, and this morning we're so happy that we're so thrilled that we have achieved in this morning 80% people that we will serve on the first dose, so that's really good.
We're now almost at about close to 80 to 100 mark, so it's been an amazing effort, and I think at this stage that by now people coming through to get vaccinated for themselves, for the whānau, and for the society as well, so we can get our freedom back. Alright?
I'm really here to push the kaupapa of we need to get vaxxed because it will make our world safer, or our land safer, and our family and our ainga and our whānau safer too.
Everybody sing along, sing.
Kia ora, I'm Taotua. I volunteer at the community of Community Gig, and I got vaccinated because, to be honest, I did a whole biology paper before lockdown and then, about vaccines, and it really, the research that I found out really made me get vaccinated. So I want to fight for my whakapapa and my community and my whānau. So kia ora.
So amazing, 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 amazing.
We're here today at Rongomai Park and we've had a really great gig, really a vaccination event. Lots of people have come through, been amazing. The vaccination is the most important way that we can protect our communities. Our communities are at huge risk from COVID outbreak, and so it's really important that we look after each other and we look after our whānau, get vaccinated. There's other things we can do to stay protected, and that is about how we are following the alert level rules, and we're staying in our bubbles and things like that. We've got a whole lot of things that put us at risk of COVID, and it's because we've got a system that's made us overcrowded and all of those things. So right now we've got to be really focused on getting through this, and right now it's about vaccination.